Here I've got General Mobile GM5+D, and let me show you how to clear credentials on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open list of all apps, then find and select the settings, scroll down and pick security and location, scroll down one more time and under privacy you will notice encryption and credentials. So just choose this option, and now the very last icon is clear credentials. So if you truly want to clear them, just tap over here to remove all certificates. Now you have to confirm it, but because this operation cannot be undone, click on OK if you truly want to do it. And actually that's it. You've just cleared your credentials. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.